Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, legal advisor at ILG. Welcome to ILG. Today in this video, I am going to continue the discussion on reservation. So the last discussion is reservations constitutional validity, which is very main basic topic of discussion on reservation. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. The topic of whether reservation are constitutionally valid is one of that has been hotly contested for many years, right? Reservations are viewed on one hand as an essential step in addressing structural and historical injustices that have marginalized specific populations. Reservations, on the other hand, are criticized as discriminatory and violation of the fundamental right to equality contained in the Constitution. Right? Reservations are made for historically oppressed groups such as scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes, which are OBCs. Under the Indian constitutions, these reserves are meant to end the historical marginalized and prejudice that these communities have experienced and to make sure that they have access to political representations, jobs, and education. The Supreme Court has repeatedly supported the validity of reservation as a necessary mechanism to remedy historical injustice despite challenges to their constitutionality in various courts. The court has, however, also set some restrictions on the scope and duration of reservations and requested regular reviews and reevaluations of their efficacy. Reservations are criticized for fostering a culture of entitlement and dependence, as well as for encouraging retaliatory discrimination against other populations. However, proponents of reservations contended that they are a vital step in redressing historical wrongs and a successful strategy for advancing equality and social justice. In conclusion, the question of whether reservation are constitutionally legitimate is complicated and subtle, and there are strong cases for both sides of the argument. While the constitutionality and necessity of reservation have been affirmed, it is nevertheless crucial to periodically review and assesses their efficacy to make sure that they do not support discrimination in India. So I hope you understood what I have discussed in this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel Dial Easy, because we always come with some new business ideas and legal content on the same channel. For some more legal content, stay tuned on the same channel. See you on the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.